Hi guys, today I'm working on an Audi A6c8 2020, and this car doesn't have on the rear doors these under door lights. I have to cut this shape, and I want to install these Audi logos underneath. I tried looking on the internet for the correct place, the correct slots to insert these two wires, and I finally found the solution. You basically have to get them here inside this, and you have to use on the other side. So pin 13 is ground. Here it's already used and I'm gonna connect to it, and pin 12 is gonna have the red, the positive. Okay, and I'll show you on this door. I'm also installing the ambient lights on this car. So you can see the connection here. I took the brown and the red is inside, and the light is working. And now I'm gonna simulate closing the door, and it's shut. You can see the light is off. Now it's on. So pin 12 is red, pin 13 is brown. Good luck. Have a nice day.